Hey there! In this video, I'm gonna let you in on a super cool way to make some extra cash. All you need is your smartphone and a knack for solving easy puzzles. Seriously, it's that simple. I'll walk you through the whole process, and before you know it, you could be raking in hundreds of bucks. Pretty sweet deal, right? Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe. It would be great if you commented down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's dive in and get you started on this fun money-making adventure. Check this out. There's this cool app called Mathplus that can actually help you make some cash. It's totally free, and get this, over 1 million people have already grabbed it. The app's got a ton of fans, with more than 155,000 folks leaving reviews on Google Play. And guess what? It's rocking a solid 4.6 star rating. That's pretty sweet, right? It just goes to show that Mathplus is the real deal, and loads of people are having a blast using it every day. Why not give it a shot? This app is seriously cool because it's got tons of ways to make some cash without breaking a sweat. You can do fun stuff like cracking math puzzles, filling out surveys, catching a few ads, or even just getting your buddies to sign up. It's pretty sweet how easy they make it to earn some extra dough. Mathplus app's got a pretty sweet deal going on. You know all those gold points you rack up? Well, get this, they automatically turn into PayPal cash every single day. No fuss, no muss. It's like having a little money-making machine in your pocket. Pretty cool, right? Imagine getting paid to have fun and do something you already enjoy. That's exactly what Mathplus offers. This app makes earning cash so easy, you'll wonder why you didn't download it sooner. Just a few taps and you're on your way to padding your pockets. It's a no-brainer. What are you waiting for? Get Mathplus now and start earning extra cash today. Before we wrap up, we have a quick request for you. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends who might also be interested. Your support helps us create more informative content just like this. And if you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos about making money methods. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.